Hi everyone, right next to me is the D5C interactive flat panel display from Hikvision, an automated tool for smarter offices and classrooms. During presentations or teaching, it's common to need features like screen recording, file transfer and zooming into a specific area. The IFPD's built-in tool makes these functions easy to access. Now let's check out what the tool has. First, open the button menu and find the screen recording tool. It can record your screen, microphone or system sound, giving you flexible options. Start recording and you will see a movable widget on the screen. Now it's recording your screen and system sound. Then click to stop. The recording is automatically saved to the default folder. You can see it's recorded both the screen and system sound. These tools is perfect for capturing important content in education and conferences, ensuring nothing gets missed. Next up is the file transfer tool. Click it and you will get a QR code. Just scan it to quickly share photos, videos or documents from your phone to the IFPD. Every can be shared. See? A message pops up on the big screen. Click to view the uploaded content. It's perfect for sharing anything you need to show, anytime, anywhere. Spotlight is a fun classroom tool. Let's give it a try. When open it, only a part of the content will be displayed. So I move the spotlight to cover different areas, making it easy to highlight the key points. You can also adjust the size and transparency, helping students to focus on the key content. We also have a fun tool called Magnifier. It automatically enlarges the selected content. You can adjust the zoom level and freely using the menu bar. No matter how detailed the content is, it ensures that the viewers on site can clearly see every detail. These handy tools are perfect partners for IFPD, ensuring smooth and seamless presentations every time. That's all for the built-in tool introduction. Thank you for watching and see you next time.